Let's cook spicy fried chicken wings. So these are the marinating ingredients. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 2 tablespoons onion powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Before anything else, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you. So, mix all the marinating ingredients. Add the 1 kilo chicken wings and marinate for 15 minutes. These are the coating ingredients. 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 egg. Add the coating ingredients to the marinated chicken and mix well. Then let's start frying. Put some oil and fry the chicken. Six minutes on each side until golden brown. Flip the other side. Then let's remove from the pan. And this is our spicy fried chicken wings. Spicy, crispy, delicious chicken wings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates of our upcoming videos. This is Kiel and my wife Len, who do all the preparation of the ingredients.